Hey everybody, it's Corbonics. This is Poppy. Again. Got the engine all in there. We got other version of the Dirty Dingo mount. Supposedly there's two different ones. There's a wider mouth one like that goes out probably at least that far, I'm guessing, but as you can see, washers are in there to space out for the bolt. Same thing for the other side. On the opposite side, so the washers go in the back on the other side for the driver's side. But for you 63 Plymouth people, Speedway Motors gold mounts with Dirty Dingo engine mounts for an LS. And then the engine's pretty much slid back as far as it could for us. And then we put a Flaming River joint on the end of the steering shaft. The round end in here for the regular column. And then the spline shaft ends for this.
Header clearance.
With the wiring and header clearance. That's mainly the reason why for this is for header clearance for shorty headers. Her shifters. Most of the wiring is laid out. I'm gonna make some bottom lower steering covers here in a little bit. Oh, for down there, we need some steering covers. Trunk, wiring's all in, loomed up, looks beautiful. I'm recording the wiring process with the GoPro. Wiring follows underneath the factory location. Most of all the wiring is going to be ran in the factory location. Just, I don't know. We do what we do. Left side wiring harness is ready. Passenger side's down below. And farm wagons just doing farm wagon things.